Continuation to Act 4, we discussed on the previous turn as how Portia was trying to insist Shylock not to go for forfeiture of the bond, the reason being nobody shall be attaining salvation. And they shall have to give the death sentence to Antonio, who is nowhere guilty within the eyes of Portia. The reason being he was fully trying to offer the three times the amount, five times the amount. Either Bassanio on his behalf or his friends were trying to help him out. But as Shylock told that he had taken an oath in the names of heaven that he shall definitely be having the bond of forfeiture in a manner that he shall be taking the flesh of his. Be it a personal grudge, any sort of grudge it is, he was really not able to give a proper justiciable answer to anybody. Initially, he used to speak that he had taken an oath in the names of heaven. For this very reason, he is really reluctant in order not to go for, with the forfeiture of the bond. But here, let's start with line number 235. Prior to this, when Shylock Portia said that I pray you let me look upon the bond. Portia requested to look upon the bond. And here, the most reverend doctor here it is. Reverend doctor here is Portia. Portia, Shylock, there is thrice thy money offered you. Portia told Shylock that three times the money is being offered to him if he is really willing in order to take the bond. Shylock, an oath, I have an oath in heaven. Shall I lay perjury upon my soul? No, not for Venice. What Shylock says? Shylock says that he had taken an oath in the names of heaven and he shall definitely not be welcoming the curse from heaven, thereby breaking his oath. He shall definitely not be welcoming the curse from heaven, thereby breaking his oath. Shylock says, an oath, I have an oath in heaven. Shall I lay perjury upon my soul? No, not for Venice. He says that he had taken an oath in the names of heaven, and I shall definitely not be welcoming. I shall definitely not be welcoming any sort of curse upon my soul for breaking the oath. Portia, why this bond is forfeit, and lawfully by this the Jew may claim a pound of flesh to be by him cut off nearest the merchant's heart. Underline merchant's heart. Be merciful, take thrice thy money, bid me tear the bond. What Portia says? Portia says, why this bond is about to be forfeited, and as per the law, Jew has the complete right in order to claim the pound of flesh. Jew has the complete right to claim the pound of flesh to be by him cut off nearest the merchant's heart, and he can cut off the flesh near by the heart of the merchant. He can cut off the flesh from near by the heart of merchant. Be merciful, take thrice thy money, bid me tear the bond. Portia requested Shylock to be merciful. Portia requested Shylock to be merciful, take three times the amount, and asked him to tear the bond. Take three times the amount and asked him to tear the bond. Portia says when she had gone through the bond, she says that as per the law, Jew can fully claim a pound of flesh to be cut off near by the heart of the merchant, and she requested the Jew to be merciful and to take thrice thy money and ask him to tear the bond. Shylock, when it is paid according to the tenor, what Shylock said, ठीक है फाड़ देना तुम इस बॉन्ड को, लेकिन जब ये टर्म्स और कंडीशंस के अकॉर्डिंग पे हो जाए, इन द सेंस दैट जब वो एंटोनियो का पाउंड ऑफ फ्लैश ले ले तब वो बॉन्ड को टेयर ऑफ कर सकते हैं. एंड इट डथ अपीयर दैट यू आर अ वर्दी जज. कहता है मुझे ऐसा महसूस होता है तुम एक बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट जज हो. जिस तरीके से तुम इस केस को हैंडल कर रहे हो, इट सीम्स एज इफ यू आर मोस्ट साउंड इन योर प्रोफेशन. और तुम ही एक वेल डिजर्विंग पिलर हो. अंडरलाइन वेल डिजर्विंग पिलर. दैट वॉज द एक्नॉलेजमेंट गिवन बाय Shylock टू Portia. proceed towards the judgment. I swear there is no power in the tongue of man to alter me. And what he says further, that on Venice there is no, on Venice and on earth also there is no power जो कि मुझे मेरे word से वापस कर सके. So what he says, when it is paid according to the tenor, you can tear off the bond when it is paid according to terms and conditions. You can tear off the bond when it is paid according to terms and conditions. It doth appear you are a worthy judge. It seems to me that you are an intelligent judge. It seems to me that you are an intelligent judge. You know the law. You know very well rules and regulations. You know very well rules and regulations. Your exposition had been more sound. Exposition here is the way you are handling the case, the way you are understanding the case. The way you are handling the case is most sound, whereof you are a well-deserving pillar. You are a very strong prop. You are a very strong prop who has proceeded ahead towards the judgment. You are a very strong prop who has proceeded ahead to the judgment. By my soul, I swear there is no power in the tongue of man to alter me. What he says, that by my soul, I really swear that there is no power on this earth. I really swear that there is no power on this earth that can alter him from his words. That can alter him from his words. I stay here on my bond. So he says that he sticks to his bond. When it is paid according to the tenor, when you can tear off the bond when it is paid according to terms and conditions. He says to Portia that it seems to him that he is really an intelligent judge and she is very well aware of the rules and regulations, the way she is handling the case. I charge you by the law, I can claim you by the law, you are a well-deserving pillar, you are the most supporting prop of this case. Proceed ahead towards the judgment. By my soul, I swear there is no power in tongue of man to alter him from his bond. I have used pronoun she over here. If I shall be using she, I shall be writing in brackets Portia disguised as Dr. Balthazar. Antonio, most heartily I do beseech the court to give the judgment. Now Antonio, who was really in the states of devastated heart, he had surrendered in front of circumstances. What he says most heartily, I do beseech the court to give the judgment. I really do request the court to announce the judgment. I really do request the court to announce the judgment. Portia, why then? Thus it is you must prepare your bosom for his knife. So Portia instructs Antonio that he should prepare his bosom, that is chest, and lay it bare to give the judgment, to face the judgment. Shylock, O noble judge, O excellent young man, Portia, for the intent and purpose of the law had full relation to penalty, which here appear upon due upon this bond. Portia कहती है कि क्लियरली बॉन्ड पे मेंशन है कि अगर आप ठीक तरीके से बॉन्ड को सही समय पर सही डेट पे पूरे पैसे के साथ वापस नहीं कर पाते हो तो शाइलॉक को पूरी अथॉरिटी है, शाइलॉक को पूरा राइट है कि वो तुम्हारी बॉडी का कोई भी पार्ट, जो भी पार्ट उसको पसंद है वो ले सकता है. एक एरर हमने देखा है एक्ट 1 से एक्ट 4 में आते हुए. अगर हम एक्ट 1 में देखें, like Shylock had told whichever part pleaseth me, if you recall the line, like we will sign a merry bond that you will be entitled to pay me a pound of flesh, whichever part from your body, whichever part pleaseth me. But here he had turned his intentions, and here it is mentioned, like Shakespeare had mentioned, that while Portia is going through the bond, she is saying that it is written that Shylock shall be taking heart from Antonio's body. So we are nowhere aware कि बीच में कहीं पे ऐसा ट्विस्ट तो कहीं नहीं आया कि उसने हार्ट का स्पेशली पार्ट मेंशन करवाया हो. first act में whichever part pleaseth me, and in act 4 straight away the heart is mentioned. So what we have to ignore such mistakes, but we will straight away write that Shylock demanded heart of Antonio, and in the form of pound of flesh. So Portia, what the intent, the purpose of the law had full relation to the penalty, which here appeared due upon the bond. There is full relation between the bond and penalty. It is clearly mentioned that if Antonio shall be failing to clear off the debt, if Antonio shall be failing to clear off the debt, then he will have to pay the pound of flesh. Then he will have to pay the pound of flesh. For the intent and purpose of the law, as far as the law is concerned, it has full relation to the penalty. It has complete relation to the penalty which is mentioned in the bond. Shylock, it is very true. Oh, you are an upright and wise judge. How much more elder than you are your looks. Shylock is continuously admiring Portia, unaware of the fact that she is laying a carpet in order to trap him. She is really weaving a web in order to trap him in his own words, and how she shall be turning the daggers, Shylock's daggers against his own self, that we shall be seeing later in this scene itself. Shylock, it is very true, you are an upright and most righteous judge. How much more elder you are than your looks. You are really more elder than your looks. Therefore lay bare your bosom. Therefore lay bare your bosom, in the sense open your chest. Shylock, yes, his breast, so says the bond. Doth it not, noble judge, nearest his heart? Those are the very words. Now Shylock is again insisting. He is saying what? He is saying like it is nearby the heart. It is mentioned in the bond. He was so happy to take the pound of flesh of Antonio. Shylock says, yes, yes, his breast. Yes, yes, his breast, in the sense that he has to take off the pound of flesh from his heart, nearby his heart. So says the bond. This is mentioned in the bond. So says the bond. This is mentioned in the bond. That it not, noble judge, nearest his heart. Those are the very words. Don't you think that it is clearly mentioned in the bond? Don't you think that it is clearly mentioned in the bond that he is entitled to take a pound of flesh nearby his heart? It is so. Are there balance here to weigh the flesh? Mark it as point number 1. If I give you the question as to how Portia turned daggers against Shylock, first point, she initiated thereby asking him to arrange the balance. Balance here is weighing balance, right? So Portia says it is so. It is so. Are there balance here to weigh the flesh? Are there balance here with which you can weigh the flesh? Shylock, I have them ready. Have some surgeon. Point number 2. Shylock, on your charge to stop his wounds lest he do bleed to death. Portia advised Shylock to have some surgeon also, lest Antonio bleeds to death. What she says? She says that they should arrange some surgeon also. They should arrange some surgeon also on his own charge to stop his wounds lest he do bleed to death, unless Antonio bleeds to death. Shylock, is it so nominated in the bond? Is it mentioned in the bond? So this is how Portia had initiated her work, and how she is trying to turn the daggers against Antonio, thereby asking him to arrange either the balance, or on the other side asking him to arrange some surgeon so that Antonio may not bleed to death. Shylock, is it so nominated in the bond? Portia, it is so expressed, but what of that? It were good to use for doing so much of charity. Portia कहती है सर्जन को लेके तो उसमें मेंशन नहीं है, बट अगर तुम अरेंज भी कर देते हो तो तुमको क्या प्रॉब्लम है? दिस इज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ चैरिटी दैट यू आर डूइंग इन ऑर्डर टू सेव हिज लाइफ. शाइलॉक वाज ऑफ द ओपिनियन कि उसकी हार्ट निकाल के वो ही शैल बी टेकिंग द लाइफ ऑफ एंटोनियो. But it was only mentioned in the bond that he is entitled only to take a pound of flesh, not his entire life, right? So how Portia is trying to entrap him, this is described. So what she says, it is so expressed, but what of that? It were good you to do so much of charity. It is good for you to do this much of charity, that you can arrange some surgeon so that Antonio may not bleed to death. Portia says it is so expressed, not so expressed, it is not mentioned in the bond. it is really good for you to do so much of charity so that Antonio may not lead to death.